These are my crispy battered prawns. Let's get them done. Devein your king prawns. And now add ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, cracked black peppercorns, a touch of red chili powder, salt, and squeeze half a lemon. Now marinate them well. Gently apply a few cuts on the inside to straighten them. Like this. Now make a cooked batter with plain flour, corn flour, chaat masala, turmeric powder, salt, and carom seeds. Mix dry ingredients and make a thick batter by adding water. And make a batter like this. Your batter should coat the back of the spoon like this. Now add baking powder in the batter and whisk it well. Now lightly dust the prawns with plain flour. Now coat them with the batter and drop the excessive. And carefully drop them in medium hot oil. After 30 to 40 seconds, give them a stir carefully. In about 4 to 5 minutes, you have beautifully fried battered king prawns ready.